Hey, what's up? This your boy Norris. Today I wanted to show you a really quick tip. Now I'm going to show you how to align your patch pockets when you have stripes. Now this is for it to be invisible. I don't want a contrasting stripes going vertical and then my shirt going horizontal. I want my shirt to be horizontal and I want my patch pocket to be horizontal. So I want to show you what's best for me when I align my stripes up, especially with patch pockets. All right, let's check it out. So this right here is the left front piece, and I have a marking here and I have a marking here for my patch pocket, which is supposed to go in this area right here. Now I have the pattern piece, which is pretty much gonna be exactly like that. I still have my seam allowance, so I'm not gonna see my dots. So it's gonna be just like this. So what I like to do, I like to take the fabric that I'm cutting, lay it down flat, and then I take my pattern piece and I match it up exact. Now this won't work unless everything is exact. This is to have the least amount of goofiness. All right, so here it is. So now that I have the vertical all matched up, I have to match up the horizontal, okay? Now you wanna look at one of your prints on the fabric and you're going to line it up with what's underneath. Now, as you can see, this is the top, this is the bottom, and it's not completely lined up. So I'm gonna move it a little bit, okay? So if I were to fold back, all of this should be in the exact same place. Boom. Okay, so you got to think about horizontal and also vertical. Okay, so this is how you know you're in the exact place. So you want to go on the edge of your shirt and want to make sure that fabric lines up. So you want to make sure that matches up. That's right on the cuff of that. Once I make those adjustments before I cut. All right, so you get the point. Everything's supposed to be lined up. This right here is my neckline right here, and you can see it matches all the way here and all the way here towards the bottom of the screen. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna pin where I have my dots. This is my first one. I'm going to put a pin in that, and then I'm going to pin the other placements. Boom. Okay, so what I do now is I mark in the exact same place I marked here. Boom. And then I pull back here. And boom. So now I take the pins out and I line this up straight. I'm going to put my pattern weights on it and cut. Okay. So as you can see, those dot placements right here on both sides is going to be lined up with this line because that's going to be fold under, and it's going to be a perfect line up when I do the front of my shirt. Okay, so now after you go ahead and prepare your pocket, as you can see, I have my pocket laid on top and it is identical, camouflaged on top. All I have to do is add stitch perfectly around and you have an invisible patch pocket that's on your front piece. All right, once again, my name is Norris, and I hope you enjoyed this tip. If you're not following my Instagram, please follow me at Norris Danta Forward. And also, if you're new to sewing or want to learn how to sew, be sure to follow us or join Sewed Academy at sewedacademy.com and also at Sewed Academy on Instagram. I'm out.